Welcome to West Quotes, where words spark emotions, inspire minds, and change lives. Let's dive into 100 viral quotes that will make you think deeper and feel stronger. Silence speaks louder than fake people. Sometimes, losing people means finding yourself. Stay low-key. Not everyone deserves your energy. You glow differently when you're not bothered. Life hits harder when you start caring less. Your peace is more expensive than their drama. The less you respond, the more powerful you become. And not everyone will understand your vision, and that's perfectly fine. Remember, real ones feel your silence, not just your words. Work until your haters ask if you're hiring. If it costs your peace, it's too expensive. Don't chase people, focus on your goals, and they'll follow. Your success will make noise, so stay silent until then. Fall in love with the process of becoming a better version of yourself. True confidence is silent. It's insecurities that are loud. Sometimes, the best revenge is simply showing them you're doing better. Heal in private, and then shine in public. Hustle in silence, and let your success do all the talking. You were born to stand out, not to fit in. Don't tell people your plans. Instead, show them your results. Not everyone deserves to know your next move. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, so protect your energy at all costs. Success hits differently when no one believed in you. Stars can't shine without darkness. Prove them wrong, not with your words, but with your actions. Keep your life private until it's permanent. Sometimes, solitude is your best company. Be addicted to bettering yourself. Don't beg for attention. Earn respect instead. Don't let temporary people distract you from permanent goals. Lion doesn't lose sleep over the opinion of sheep. The strongest hearts often have the deepest scars. Your struggle will one day become someone else's inspiration. Life is short. Remove negativity quickly. One day, they'll remember how they treated you. You are your only competition. Pain changes people, and sometimes it's for the better, okay? Don't let your emotions control your intelligence, okay? They might laugh at you now, but they'll be asking how you did it later. You attract what you focus on, so stay positive. Never explain yourself to people who don't deserve it. Stay humble, but let them know your worth. Don't just copy the crowds, let it. The best revenge is often no reaction at all. You're not behind in life. You're building your foundation. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. Never forget who ignored you when you needed them. Always make yourself a priority, as time has a way of exposing fake love. Work hard in silence and shock them with your results. As people change when they meet new benefits. Some people never change, okay? They just get better at hiding their true colors. You owe nothing to people who gave you nothing. Fake love is far worse than real hate. Life's not fair, but you can be fearless. You can't heal in the same place where you got hurt. Sometimes, distance is the best answer. Not all storms come to destroy you. Some come to clear your path. So don't make yourself available for every vibe. The hardest walk is the one you take alone, but it's what makes you the strongest. Loyalty is rare if you find it. Keep it pure. Be silent when you win, because noise attracts envy. Weak people seek revenge. Strong people forgive, but intelligent people simply ignore. Don't let your emotions ruin your incredible potential. A calm mind is a powerful weapon. Never announce your moves, just move. Some people will only love you when you shine. You're not hard to love. They were just easy to lose. Comeback is always stronger than the setback. Learn to rest, but never quit. Your energy introduces you before you even speak. Make peace with your past, so it won't ruin your present. Real growth is being better today than you were yesterday. Never beg to be loved. Some people don't deserve a second chance. The more you grow, the smaller your circle gets, okay? People will remember how you made them feel, not just what you said. Happiness is an inside job. Stop explaining yourself and let your results talk. When you move differently, you get different results. Your vibe attracts your tribe. Don't let others dim your light. Don't let success get to your head or failure to your heart. Fall in love with patience and discipline. Your silence can be the loudest statement. Success is a lonely road, but it's worth every single step. Stay mysterious. People love to guess. Don't fear failure. Fear regret. Be the reason someone believes in goodness again. Don't compete, dominate. Be humble, but hustle harder. Not everything needs a reaction. Some people will hate you just because others love you. Stay focused, because distractions can destroy destinies. Let them underestimate you. Surprise is your greatest weapon. Protect your peace like it's gold. People with pure hearts always win in the end. Be quiet, work smart, and stay unstoppable. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Make yourself proud. That's the real success. Thanks for watching. These quotes touched your heart. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite one, and subscribe for more wisdom only on Less Quotes.